Whispers from the Brighter World, Beloved Master, Revered Babuji Maharaj, Monday, May 3rd, 1999, 10 am. The medium says, Babuji, I have the impression that you are in each and every particle of my heart. It is in the nature of things. Such was our purpose. This result cannot be obtained in a day. As you can see, it is not so unpleasant to be welded to the master. The medium says, as far as I am concerned, I am no longer surprised by anything for a long time. And yet, you will have more surprises ahead. You can never be sure of anything. You humans, you advance with a blindfold on the eyes. You believe you know and understand, but you are nowhere near that. As you can see, your questions are not useless. Don't you want to interact with me anymore? Yet, you let me have the easy job. The medium says, Babuji, you know that I feed on these contacts. The reactions of your circle make you realize that others to benefit from these messages. So let your heart express what it feels. All will be easier in our contacts. Stop thinking of other people's reactions. Thus, things will be clearer between us. We will be able to make a fresh and more intimate start. Babuji. Tuesday, May 4th, 1999, 8 am. My child, interiorize yourself. Develop some capacity to isolate yourself, to cut yourself off from the world. Do it as often as possible, at least for short moments. You will thus get used to feeling connected to us in all circumstances. You will feel less affected by things. You will have a kind of light and effective armor, quasi-permanent. You too should apply this way of doing. This will protect you from external stresses and strains. They exist in many forms in this world. Some are insidious and affect you in depth. You should withdraw whenever necessary into this entrenched camp. With lots of practice, you will never be affected, neither by words nor by external events. We are insisting much on this aspect in your own interest. Now is the after centenary. You must revert to your routine practice. Try to keep the same enthusiasm and the same ardor in the sadhana. May each day be a celebration for you, that is, an active search towards the Absolute, the total union with the Divine. Babuji. Tuesday, May 4th, 1999, 10 am. The medium says, Babuji, I have the impression to be in a state of vacuity, this great vacuum inside me. It is indescribable as a feeling. It is well. You are making progress. Enjoy these fleeting moments in which you have the impression that nothing can affect you. In these moments, when you feel so light, our union is perfect. The medium says, I feel like a feather in suspension, like a small cloud floating in the sky. Be attentive to all that is taking place inside you. Do not fear to express it. That will help others one day. The medium says, Babuji, being both a scribe and a guinea pig is a real blessing. You are nowhere near the end of your surprises, as I have told you yesterday. Observe very attentively all that you are feeling. Changing one's skin results in perceptible manifestations. Note down your impressions after our contacts. You will see things more clearly. The medium says, the chrysalis changing into a butterfly must feel that. In its own way, probably. What do we know about it? You are yourself limited in your perception of things. But you can taste this kind of inner freedom, which makes you forget your body. For the time being, you may wish to share these messages with the 4 people, even 5, in whom you only have confidence. In bracket, in the future, Sigulin will have to play a role with these writings. Babuji.